Good morning. My name is Yakub Mohammed. I make I do video on some of the machines wey we get to produce or cut nylon. I think one of the reasons I'm making this video because I just want to tell us one of the mistakes where I make as a producer for nylon production anyway. As you can see, we have two machines here, two cutting machines. They are both button sealing machine. This first one is single deck, meaning say na one roll you go fit carry at a time. While the other one will get here na double deck, meaning say you go fit carry two rolls at a time. So if you put one here, the other one go dey here. As they cut am, you go dey join them together. So practically, this single deck go do two times the work of this. Sorry, this double deck go do this two times the work wey this single deck they do. And funny enough, now the price now almost times two. If this one now ₦1, when you go market, this one will be like ₦2 times two. But there is this saying that said it's good to start small. Now, what make me first buy this single deck? Because I wanted to start small. Because when they hear this story, start small and grow big. Can't go buy this small machine. Later, come buy this big one. But of course, the main reason we make me do this video, not be to show you everything I get to. Now to tell you, say, if you want start nylon production machine, this machine avoid and no buy am. No let person deceive you, say start small, my brother. No buy am. This machine, since I buy am, I never feel use am. And the reason is this. This one, the machine they allow you set the length of whatever nylon you want cut. So is the other one. But for this one, now manual settings. Meaning say if you want set the length, you will need to come adjust this guy, adjust this one and shift this length. Now just more like now this distance from here to whatever you adjust. As you adjust them, it could affect the length. Like I said, one of the problems I get the guy know they work well. If you stand for any length, they give you like say the cut line or the part where they cut those they oscillate. Meaning say if you cut two of the same length, the next one will be shorter or longer. At the end of the day, in a bad work they give us. And now the advice I get from some people say make I go forge roller, back roller. Make I show you what they call back roller. This one the back roller. This is not the roller for back. Of course, this is not the roller for the front. All of them, both of them get front roller. But only this double they get back roller. This is not the sensor. Once the nylon tension they high, it go raise this guy up. By raising this guy up, it go break connectivity or contact between, because this is an proximity sensor. Once you raise them up, the distance between the obstacle and the sensor go do reduce. As that thing go come roll, thing go come help you roll am. So basically, what they do be say in dey ensure say this front roller no dey too dey too use much force to roll, because if it does that, it means that it go need a whole lot of force to be able to pull this guy. So this back roller dey support the front roller as much as to reduce that that tension along the nylon. Unlike this one, no get back roller. So what they are telling me now is that I need to go forge back roller put. So my one question I always ask them, they say, "Oh, you wey don, they no get sense. This is not Chinese product. Trust me, all these guys they go run test and put they use them. But that's that anyway." Now and one advantage of this one, apart from the back roller, we say the length of the nylon, unlike this wey be say you go need to do some manual adjustment to adjust to set your length. Here na computerized, meaning say if you want to adjust the length, you just put the length in millimeter. If you want your nylon length to be, let's say 6 millimeter, you come and consider for 6 millimeter. It means that the rolling length, or probably whatever length is being set, is determined by a servo motor. Of course, you know what is servo motor be now. Servo motors now, they are precision motors. They fit their positional motor or precision motor as the case may be. Meaning say if you want 5 cm, you fit tell your servo roll the distance that will require a circumference of your motor to be 5 cm. Of course, That's one of the advantages of the double decker. Your length is set by a servo. You just specify the length you want, and the guy will give you what you want. This single deck, you go adjust. Trust me, I don't adjust. I don't do all the form of adjustment I fit do for my life. I don't try and do am, nothing work. If he cut like maybe six, the best I could get was if he cut like six same length, the seventh, eight, nine, my brother, he go drop am or he go increase am. So like I said, they oscillate along the cut line. So like I said, the reason why I do this video, if you want to start this business, see this double deck, avoid am. The seller that sold to me didn't tell me. I just told him double deck and single deck, which one better pass? At that time, I didn't have enough money to buy the double deck. So he just tell me, say, based on your money, single deck will do what double deck will do. But of course, double deck will do it two times your single deck. My brother, that's not correct. Oh. If you no be expert, if you are not into the business, avoid this machine. Avoid them. One of my biggest regrets now for this nylon production be say I go buy this single deck. If I have known, I for wait. People they tell you say for business, see, trust me, there's always a time to start. No reason I say I must start today. Take your time, do all your research and start better. It's better you start late and start better than you start early and start in the wrong path. If I tell you wetin this machine don't cost for me, material where I don't produce, where I don't waste, only God knows that I go fit recover am back. But then again, in business, it only takes time. It's just a matter of time. Whatever money I thought I've lost, I will collect them back. So like I say, my brothers and sisters, if you start this business, I dey beg you, you no go understand wetin I dey talk. Avoid this single deck machine. Avoid them. Somebody dey give me offer say won't buy am. I call am, okay, how much you take buy am? They tell me say the value no even reach 50% of what I take buy. But then, me na engineer now, I go always find a way. I'm going to construct the back roller. Then I'm going to see how that can be done. If you warrant me, trust me, my brother, I go build this servo. Because I don't study this machine. I don't look the servo motor. They inside. The servo motor dey inside. If it warrants me, my brother, I go dismantle the machine. I go convert them to servo. If I need to change the onboard PLCs or the onboard electronics, I will do that. That's my feed anyway. I go change the onboard electronics. I go buy this control board. I will come fix them here. It's just a matter of going to the fan belt that controls this. I go remove them from the main motor, put them for my servo controller, and that will be done. Of course, it will take time. It's not as easy as I'm sounding, no, but I go fit done. I'm sure I go fit done. Like I always say, like I'm saying, I beg, avoid this machine. Except you're an expert or you have been into the business for a very long time, then you can give it a try. But if you are starting up, this guy will frustrate your effort to. Once again, thanks for watching my video. My name is Yakubu Mohammed. Thank you.